everyone, and Happy New Year. I mean, Happy late New Year, because I didn't say Happy New Year to all my fans and all my people that follow me. But with that, I'm going to tell you, welcome back to another year of Cindy's Home Kitchen. And Michael behind the camera. Michael, say hi to everyone. Ginger.
Hi, everyone.
And little Ginger. Look, they're always in the kitchen, guys. And little Teddy over there. But this morning, guys, we got up, and I want to apologize to all you guys. This is me making a little bacon here, a little bit of, I want to make scrambled eggs with some bacon. I'm going to put it all together, make the bacon first nice and crispy. And then I'm going to scramble my eggs, chop the bacon in the eggs, and then put, these are like Spanish rolls, and these are water bread, actually. And the reason why I call them water bread is because no milk was used in these at all, okay, to bake. So then I'm going to put them in there, and then I'm going to put the bacon and the scrambled egg on my bread. These rolls, guys, you buy 6 of these for $1. And every other day I go kind of like, get them, because everybody likes them here at the house. So you can hear my bacon going, right, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
You can hear that bacon going there a little bit. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to let everybody go, and I'm going to have everybody take a break, because I'm going to wait until that bacon is nice. When we come back, I'm going to have this bacon nice and chopped. Okay, and I'm gonna have this pan hot and ready for my eggs to go in there and scramble. And then we're gonna do it together, scramble the eggs with the pieces of bacon that we're gonna put on top, and then we're gonna just shove it in our rolls. And then I'm gonna take a couple of bites, and we're gonna continue to talk and say hi. And I also want to tell you guys that I've been working for my husband, doing work also on the side just for extra money, because you know how it is with the holidays and all. So that was one of the reasons why I haven't been like posting that much, because the time, I really don't get that much like space time for me to do my videos. But I'm gonna push myself, and I promised myself, and I told Michael we gotta do something. At least we gotta push at least 3 videos at least a week, and continue this with you, all my fans and all the people that follow us. So I'm gonna let you guys go, and then we're gonna come right back, and we're gonna do these eggs together, okay? So thanks for watching, and again, Happy New Year for everybody. We'll be right back. Don't go away. Okay, so this is the bacon, guys. So I'm just gonna chop. I like to go like this. Just be careful with your fingers. And this is gonna come out delicious. Here we are. So these are my 4 eggs, and I put a little bit of salt, and this is the bacon that you guys saw before on the other side cooking. It's cooked, and I chopped it up. So I don't like to scramble the eggs, not until I'm getting ready to load them up, okay? So they're scrambled. They just have a little bit of sea salt. I'm gonna throw them in there. And I like to go like this with them around it, because that way they cook faster. Like this. Oh, and these pans, by the way, guys, these are Master Chef pans. Not that I bought, but at my supermarket where I live, what they have is they make these things where they give you like stickers, and you put it on a right?
Oh, yeah.
Like on a, what do you call that, Michael?
A contest.
Like contests. They do contests, and they give you like a thing, and you fill it up with your stickers, and then if you fill a certain amount of stickers, you get this pan, or you get that pan. So I have done, Michael, real quick over here. These are my pans. I have 4 of these, of Master Chef pans. I'll flip them over, Michael, so people can see. Yeah. So, okay, see? And, yep. See how nice they are, guys? Right, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, guys, so you saw I put the bacon in here, see? And you don't see them not greasy, because I don't like greasy stuff. I like them like this. These are very nice, Michael. And then, as you guys can see, I have my bread in this little toaster. It's like an oven toaster. And what I'm going to do right now, they already have sea salt and everything. I'm going to put them in the bread. Michael. Oh, and yeah. I butter these. As you can see, that glistening on this side. You don't have it on the other side. That's from the butter, because you got to put a little butter. If not, then you're going to be eating like dry thing. Yes or no, Michael?
Dry eggs.
Dry eggs. And you don't want to eat no dry eggs. Now what I'm going to do to mine, guys, is that one is for you, Michael. Oh, and Michael, you have another one. I put 3 of them because Michael wants 2 sandwiches.
Oh, yeah.
I can do with 1. Oh, even the doggies. Look at the doggies. Trying to pick up anything that falls there. Let me give him a little bit of eggie. Yeah. And here, take it. There you go. And here you go, Michael. So what I'm going to do, Michael likes eating his like this. You don't want any cheese on that? I didn't put any cheese, guys, because almost everybody's lactose intolerant here.
Yeah.
I like to put a little ketchup on mine. So let me put a little ketchup on mine, like a little sizzling, Michael. And then I'm gonna take a bite. Cause let me tell you guys, the eggs, like food has gone up a lot, but the eggs are still like very, very cheap. The bacon is not that bad. You can get yourself like a pound of bacon for $4.99, which is like the regular top price. Sometimes where they put it on sale, you can get like 2 packs for that price of $4.99 or $5, which is amazing. But I just want to make you guys a little jealous. Here you go, Mike. And I love it, that little ketchup, because the ketchup gives it like that little bam. So good. And guys, so with that, you know, now you can, you know, just go get your rolls. I know they have supermarkets and bakery where you can get 6-8 rolls for $1 every day. I'm not getting any more. You guys go away. And then you can have your eggs very cheap and your bacon also, and you can make this for your family for like $10-15 a family, or for you can have a nice breakfast. So with that, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. YouTube, Pinterest, and Patreon. So if you guys want to donate $1, you can donate $1 and we'll be happy with that. Or if you don't need to donate, then you don't. But we love you all. I hope this is a good video for all you folks. And we'll continue to show more videos from Cindy's Home Kitchen. Thanks for watching. Have a good day and don't drink and drive.